This is one of the biggest financial mistakes most house owners make when building a house, making a high-pitched hip roof for their building. On bungalow, it looks hideous. On high-rise building, it's unnecessary. Instead of building duplex for spiders, termites, and bats, why don't you make regular hip roof like this? It's aesthetically looking good and it does the job. But there's something else I want to introduce you to, and it's called Skillion roofing. This is a type of roof that costs little or nothing compared to hip roof, however does the job well. On bungalow it looks good, and on duplexes on the right side of the screen it looks awesome. Tell me this is not beautiful. Wow, just wow. In our last episode, we discussed about decking, how to put decking, the different forms of decking that you can put in your house. In this episode, we're going to discuss roofing. Do you know why I'm laughing? We have problem in Nigeria. We have big problem in Nigeria. Now, why would anyone make this kind of roof? My father's house, the first time I entered the roof, it struck me on the size of room you have in that roof. It's mighty. My first impression was, you can pack 6 cars inside here, because it's a 2-story building of 6 blocks of flat, so it's like massive, long. I was like, why can't we put like 2 apartments in this place? But no, that's not how we do it in Nigeria. Our roof has to be bigger than our neighbor's roof. Alright, now before we get into the details, what are the kind of roofs that we usually do in Nigeria? Most of the time we do hip roofs. These are the ones that are like this. Now, anything around 20 to 25 degree angle makes sense to me. Anything close to 45 degree angle and above does not make sense to me. Those are the ones that you see that go high like this, and when you ask the roofers, what is the difference between these high ones and the flatter ones, they say it's for water to run off very quickly. And each time they tell me that, I keep on wondering, what do they mean, water to run off very quickly? Like, if water stays there longer, what will happen? It will burn through the roof. What of the kiosk that is in front of my house, that is have very slanted roof? Has water burned through that roof? Why? Another reason is for aesthetics. So hip roof is the way to go for many people in Nigeria. But are there alternatives that you can use that makes sense? Now, this kind of roofing is called a concealed roof. The features of this roof is that the whole side of the building covers the roof, so you do not see the roofing material used in this. What are the advantages? Basically, it's just aesthetics. You like the look of that kind of. You can also do another decking, which is more expensive there, and have a sit out up there. That's the benefit of such kind of flat roof. However, there's a big problem. This kind of roof, if not properly done, you are going to have to roof the house in the next 2 or 3 years. You know why? Because water will always find a way. As long as you are converging water in one particular point in the building, make sure it is waterproof and a channel for the water to run off. Immediately the concrete start breaking down and there's one small channel, you have already started depreciating the integrity of your entire house. Yes, so if you want to do this, you can, but make sure you have a professional doing it. Then another type of roof you have is called Skillion. It's sort of like a flat roof, but it's not concealed. Now, personally, this is my ideal kind of roof. You can take it to different angle, have one over another, different styles of it. But what this saves you in cost is a lot. If you have seen the woodwork for a hip roof, oh Lord, you are going to spend a lot. Now, if you have to spend, say, 5 million naira on materials for a hip roof, and you decide to do a flat roof that is not concealed or a Skillion roof, you may have to spend, say, 1.5 million naira, like 30% of whatever you're going to use on a hip roof, depending on how outrageous it is. If it is a small hip roof, you may spend like 50% of what you spent doing it. But this is by far the most affordable, and it doesn't look aesthetically bad. If you work with a good architect, or you look at other people's design, you're going to see a design that suits what you need. All you need is that no water comes in through your roof. There is proper ventilation in the roof, so nothing gets into your roof, and maintenance is easier. Do I tell you another advantage of those kind of roof? If you have to put anything on top of your roof, it's easier because the roof is basically almost flat. So solar panels, easy to install. Water heaters, solar water heaters, easy to install. You can actually have a sit out in the roof. So which one do you prefer out of these three? Which one do you think is more economical? And what do you think, especially people that build this kind of houses? We need to be kind of shaming them, or let them explain to us, let us understand, so that next time that they're doing it, we'll be able to follow their thought process. Because I don't see the point of building a hip roof that is this like 45-degree angle and very high, and there's nothing inside it.